Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to fix the issue with Messenger chat heads or bubbles not showing up on your phone. Don't worry, we have some easy fixes for you today. So, you've been using the Messenger app on your phone, but suddenly the chat heads or bubbles don't seem to appear anymore. And when you receive messages, they just don't show up. It can be quite frustrating, right? Today, we've got some solutions. And when this video is done, you should get your chat heads back up and running. First, get out of the Messenger app and click on Play Store. Here, type in Messenger and check if your app needs to be updated. In my case, it doesn't, but this is a very important step. So keep checking this again and again, or just turn on auto updates on your phone. Next, go back into Messenger and click on the three dots. Here, click on Settings. Now, scroll down a bit and look for chat heads. If it's off like mine, then turn it on. This pop-up should show up. Click on Open Settings. When you're here, look for Messenger. Now click on Allow Display over other apps. After everything is done, click on App Info and check if the notifications are on. If they are not, please turn them on. If you followed all these steps, the chat head should start showing up. And there you have it, folks. Those are some troubleshooting steps to fix the Messenger chat heads or bubbles which are not showing up on your phone. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. For more tech tips and tricks, please watch our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.